to the stuff earlier on. Let's crack on and get all the work done, shall we? Hi friends, take a look at Chainlink. Chainlink has been going towards the top side. What do you think of Chainlink? Does it stink? Does it stink in just that right way though? Probably does for you. Nice one. Shout out to Northwest Nerd, by the way. Drop a like on the video, hit subscribe. Nice to see you all here. Let's take a look at Chainlink. Bringing up the charts full screen. Don't know why I had those oscillators on at all in the first place anyway. A lot of noise in the charts right there. Sure there is. Let me just hide some of these drawings and zoom on a wee bit and then say that on the 4-hour time frame there was a negative cross here on this between the white dotted line, the red dotted line there. That's the 200 and the 50 simple period moving average there respectively. But over here in the 24-hour time frame, what we're seeing is that we're of course a good eons, light years, millennia away from the 200 simple period moving average. Now if we do manage to take out the 50 on the daily time frame and move towards the top side and all that good stuff and really kind of undo all of that, then that would be great, that'd be fantastic. But we do have to bear in mind the realities of the situation that we have right now. If we actually break down below $24, and it's actually a range that extends all the way down stinkingly as it is down to towards 21.50, but breaking that sort of zone overall can and perhaps probably most likely will precipitate in a move down towards the $17 area for us. So obviously we don't want to see that, and we're waiting for this to overall for all this to resolve. So topside targets, then we're at one at the minute. That's kind of one of the key things to be aware of at 27.50. Can we take that out? Yes we can. On the 2-day time frame, can we get a bullish engulfing candle? Yes we can. Do we all need to do it right here and right now? We don't necessarily, but the topside targets then there afterwards coming at $28, $28.70, $30, looking up towards 31.50, etc. Now in this 31.50 area is where we had the 618 golden pocket previously, and there's a couple of key areas. We just pushed above that at one high and we just came into the middle of it in the subsequent high. So these are the two market structure areas that we would need to change, and that's kind of would obviously paint a different it just makes it so easy to see sometimes when you take the whole chart off and you just remember all of the drawings off, etc., and just remember what you're looking at here. Well, the enthusiasm for coming in and coming up for $36 and $33 and getting those 10% moves up towards the top side really does actually start to become palpable whenever you've taken out these two areas just here. So and our next targets towards the top side are actually still quite a ways away up the way. So if we want to ever achieve the $46 target and get a solid nice a nice $20 move up from where we are more or less now, looking at a sort of 70% profit on any just spot trades alone, 10x obviously 700%. If you want that type of thing to happen, then this is what you need to see starting to happen first off, right? And there's another really crucial target for us if we do actually move above this the $30, $30.50 zone. Okay, really crucial target we need to be aware of, and that is of course the measured move from this ascending triangles, taking that measuring stick and showing you that just takes us up towards where our previous high was overall. Now if we do it straight away, we could go up towards $40, and that's on the cards. It's totally possible. Let's look for big volume down below here, looking at the volume candles and seeing that we want to have a big one if we're going to be doing any of that, or at least enough of these to add together where we're seeing the moving average really push towards the top side. As we can see here in these smaller candles, it diminishes. You need to have a couple of big ones pushing up the way, and then we want to see these things actually level out and turn positive in terms of the oscillators down below, as we are below the 50% line on the stochastics, for instance. Now we do have this potential for sort of bullish divergence. It's of a class B variety, so it's not like fan dabby dozy, but it's totally there, and well, it's pretty fantastic really. Let's call it fantastic bullish divergence there to pay out for us and resume and push us back on to resume that overall upward trend. But of course, if things don't happen, it's not like we haven't seen consolidation on this coin for a while in the past. We could see more of that. Am I thinking that that's the way it's going to go? No, not. I'm thinking that we're probably going to see things start moving again fairly soon for us. The stochastics will be the last thing that I bring up here, and just to point out that we've just had a positive cross on the 24-hour time frame. So let's see if we can get that to all kind of keep going and putting us in a position where everything's just happy trading towards the top side, right? If it doesn't, things get stinky. Where's my measuring stick? Where's my measuring stick gone? Guys, what have you done with my measuring stick? Where is it? Right, whatever. I'll just take a new one. If things get stinky, then they get pretty stinky, and you're looking down towards $12 if you get the full measure move. Right, we don't want to go down there. That's the price of band. We're looking at Link. See you in the live stream sometime. Right, cool. Join me for a live stream. Okay, cool. By the way, if you are watching this is a live stream, right? I'll prove it to you. Let me see. K King just said 83, and then TraceBot said nice. You see? There we go. Proof. It's live.